astronauts, welcome to the Digital Galaxy podcast. I'm your pilot, Justin.
And I'm Paul, your tiny dancing tree, but definitely not Baby Groot co pilot. Buckle up because in episode 9, we're discussing deep fakes. The information in this episode comes from Merriam-Webster.com, The Washington Post, The Guardian, New York Daily News, and TechCrunch. So, Justin, can you give the crew a little background on what exactly a deep fake is?
Absolutely. According to the Merriam-Webster, quote, the term deepfake is typically used to refer to a video that has been edited using an algorithm to replace the person in the original video with somebody else, especially a public figure, in a way
Mhm.
that makes the video look authentic, end quote.
So, what about the term itself? Can you fill the crew on where it came from?
Yeah, the term deepfake comes from a few different meanings. There isn't 100% definition of it, but it is
Mhm.
speculated that it comes from the term deep learning, which is a type of machine learning that is built from a couple of different algorithms. Another theory is that the deep in deepfakes refers to complicated or intense.
Hmm. So, an intensely complicated fake video created by technology. Even though they may be fake, they sure look real. How long has this technology been around?
Deepfakes have actually been around for years already. Snapchat has used filters and overlays to make you look differently, and those were a lot of fun, but however, the first major negative instance of a deepfake was used for face swapping celebrities with pornographic videos.
Hmm.
2 years ago, a Reddit account named DeepFace App released a software application that allowed others to create these fake clips.
Hmm. So, other users they uploaded pictures and clips of these celebrities and entered them into this software and created realistic fake pornographic videos. Kristen Bell released a PSA this past June because she was a victim of this deepfake scandal. This has raised a lot of flags recently and brought a lot of awareness to the harm that this technology can create. Using someone's face, whether they're a celebrity or not, without permission, especially in such awful ways, it's just deplorable. Justin, can you tell us how this technology may be used in politics?
Definitely. Just last year, an altered video was viewed over 3 million times. It wasn't a true deepfake, but it was altered. According to the Washington Post, quote, even simple tweaks to existing videos can create turmoil, as happened with the recent viral spread of a video House Speaker Nancy Pelosi dis- distorted to make her speech stunned and slurred, end quote. Sorry about that. I tripped up
I'm
there.
sorry. No problem. So even though it wasn't a true deepfake, the altered video was viewed so many times. It definitely swayed opinion and was defaming someone. So it'll be interesting to see if this is an issue in this upcoming election because it may be harder to tell what's real and what's not, especially on the internet. And the accountability in this issue may conflict as well because there are no laws to regulate deepfakes.
That's right. And from the same Washington Post article, quote, some legal and technical experts have recommended adapting current laws covering libel, defamation, identity fraud, or impersonating a government official. So there can be ways for action to be taken against these videos or pictures.
Hmm. Yeah, are social media sites taking any action against deepfakes?
The only company that has pledged to ban them so far is TikTok. The new policy is centered around coordinated, inauthentic behavior and has been updated. According to TechCrunch, the new policy reads that users, quote, do not engage in coordinated, inauthentic activities such as the creation of accounts to exert influence and sway public opinion while misleading individuals or the community or the larger public about the account's identity, location, or purpose.
So this new policy basically bans the use of deepfakes to sway public opinion or the effects they may have, but it doesn't exactly ban the production or the use of them. Vanessa Pappas, the general manager of TikTok's U.S. operations, stated in a New York Daily Times article, quote, "Our intent is to protect users from things like shallow or deepfakes. So while this kind of content was broadly covered by our guidelines already, this update makes the policy clearer for our users." End quote. She also stated that they are working with the Department of Homeland Security to protect against foreign influence on the platform.
It'll be interesting to see if any other social media outlets have similar bans in the near future.
Yeah,
Because
it's
I
especially
feel like I've seen a few, maybe.
yeah, like Reddit. I'm sure. I mean, that's where the app itself was kind of spread. So I wonder if they'll take any stand on it. I doubt it, but you
Yeah,
never
that'll be
know.
interesting.
Yeah, absolutely. But so in summary, a deepfake is a technology that uses face swapping software along with several algorithms to produce fake videos that can be used in a negative fashion to defame or sway public opinion. There is concern over the implications the technology can have on privacy, politics, and national security.
Alrighty, that about wraps it up for this episode. Don't forget to follow our channels on Twitter, YouTube, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and iTunes. You can also find this episode in written form on our website, digitalgalaxypodcast.com. This episode was created by Forest Social, a social media app where you are in charge of your data and community. Check it out at forestsocial.com. Thanks for coming along on our journey, and we'll see you guys in the next one.